In our continuing coverage of the Nichole Rice murder trial, state prosecutors put the spotlight on Rice's reaction to learning of the death of her roommate Anita Knutson in 2007. Meanwhile, her defense doubled down on questions why investigators didn't dive deeper into another possible suspect who may testify later in the trial. Joe Skrzyszewski reports from Grand Forks.
Another former officer with Minot Police took the stand Thursday for the state in their case against Nichole Rice. Robert Barnard testifying to his role in the early investigation into Knutson's killing. Barnard noting what he observed as an unusual response from Rice upon learning of her roommate's death.
Best of my recollection, my exact words were, "I'm sorry to tell you that your roommate's deceased and she's been killed." I used the word "she's been killed."
How did the defendant react to that?
She didn't. She was flat, just no real reaction at all.
He was not the only one to question Rice's tenor. Donna Bjelland, a former co-worker of Rice's during that time, providing revealing testimony saying she was scared by Rice's behavior.
I remembered her saying that Anita locked the door, so yeah, she would have to, if she wanted to get to Anita, she'd have to go through the screen to get to her if the door was locked.
The defense pushing former Minot Police Detective Nichole Talbot on why they didn't further pursue leads on Devin Hall, a man who has not been charged in this case, but has been floated by the defense as an alternative suspect throughout the trial.
Making calls, meeting with people.
I started in 2019 with the report.
And then you arrested Nichole in 2022.
Correct.
Without talking to Devin Hall or the FBI.
Correct.
The jury also hearing from a pathologist who conducted the autopsy on Knutson, ruling her death a homicide, and a DNA forensic examiner who confirmed the presence of Knutson's DNA from samples on a knife and part of the window screen. After testimony wrapped for the day, Judge Hagar heard both sides on the matter of whether to force Devin Hall to be transported from a jail on the Fort Peck Indian Reservation in Montana to Grand Forks to testify in person. We heard from Rice for the first time in this trial when Hagar asked her, while momentarily under oath, if she consented to Hall testifying over video.
We'll be testifying by reliable electronic means.
Yeah, I don't have a problem with that.
And you are in agreement?
I'm in agreement.
The state is expected to bring 4 witnesses to the stand Friday. They could rest their case early to mid next week. In Grand Forks, I'm Joe Skrzyszewski reporting for your news leader.
The state has a few more witnesses to testify, including case agent Carmen Asham. They'll likely rest their case early to mid next week. We will be streaming this trial every day. Just go to our website to watch live.